Every once in a while, two paths cross each other. And they have a giant impact on each other, but they don't know how and they don't know why. Now, I'm going to share with you exactly how Drew at Tailosive Tech has impacted my life forever. Impacted it in ways he probably didn't even know. Here's the deal. Every great story starts somewhere. In order to understand where this story starts, we gotta go to Twitter. Yesterday, Tailosive Tech, Drew posts up Apple Sheep unboxes the Google Pixel book. Now, let's all get this on the table right now. The Pixel book, expensive, not impressive, not exciting. It's like, there's a question mark. It's for somebody. We're not sure who. I'm not sure who. It's not for me. So Drew unboxes it and he's going through it and he's doing all this stuff. And I couldn't help but make a comment as I'm watching this video. I'm like, he's incapable of unboxing or doing anything that isn't Apple without this extreme bias. And that may be a very strong statement, incapable of extreme bias. But watch this and see how this unfolds. Imagine making a video that was not an Apple product and you were not dripping with bias. I bet it would be a great video. I bet you can make a killer video if you just let go of the bias. If you just left it somewhere else for just a minute. I get it. Everyone has a preference. I love Apple products. I'm surrounded by Apple products everywhere. Apple probably gets more of my money than Best Buy does. My issue is the extreme bias towards anything that is inherently not Apple or Apple-esque or part of the ecosystem, right? So let's move on. We went back and forth and we had a little bit of Twitter banter. I'll link that tweet in the description and you can check it out for yourself. No need to sit here and go through the whole entire thing. So this is what happened. I get off work, I'm jumping in the car, I'm in the live stream. I do this often. I flip open live streams when I'm in the car and I listen. Then if I'm at a red light, I'll stop and I'll reply. Never do it while I'm driving because I'm a safe driver. I hope you're listening, State Farm. I'm a safe driver. So then I get home, I finish jumping on. And I'm like, you know what? I will make an offer. Drew, if you use a Pixel 3 for 4 weeks and come on the channel and share your experience with us, I will give it to you. I'll buy it. I'll send it to you. And he's all hemming and hawing and everything else. I can't give up my iMessage, my ecosystem, my Apple Watch. Oh my God, the horror! I can tell he's getting anxiety thinking about giving up his Apple, his precious Apple, my precious. So then I rearranged it. We did another deal. And he agreed. Here it is. Here's the challenge. Attention! Attention! I will send Drew, Tailosive Tech, the Pixel 3. I didn't say XL. I said the Pixel 3. Maybe he'll get the XL depending on how generous I'm feeling. I don't know. Does he have big hands? Should find out how big his hands are. If he agrees to use it, come on the channel, which will most likely be Hardwired Live with me and Leo, the Android stud, and talk about his experience. If he uses it for 2 weeks straight, he has to send it back to me. So if you use it and you can only last 2 weeks, Drew, you gotta send me back my phone. You don't get to keep it. But if you can last 4 weeks, 28 days, the end of the 28th day, you can turn it off and never touch it again. You can keep it, but you gotta use it for 28 days. That's the deal, buddy. 28 days. It's like you're going to Apple rehab. Will he accept the challenge? That was my question. And the answer was, all right. You know my P.O. box address. Can't confirm if I'll make it 4 weeks, but if I don't use it anywhere after the 2, I'll send it back. Deal. You have to come on the channel, talk about it. I will get it shipped directly from Google to him. So it's a big thumbs up. I got his P.O. box. We're good to go. We did a virtual handshake. It's happening. I'm putting his credibility on the line. It was public. It's on Twitter. It can't go away if he deletes it. But I got evidence right here. So it's gonna happen. This was the excitement. Now, let's bring it back to reality. Because I shared with you at the beginning that Drew doesn't know this, but he has single-handedly had a severe impact on my life. The consequences of his actions have spiraled, and we're connected in a way that he doesn't even know. And I'm not even going to share it yet. I'm going to wait until we're on the live stream to share with him what happened and how we're connected and how he single-handedly has changed my life forever. I know he's thinking, how did that happen? But I'm not going to tell you. You're going to have to watch the live event to check it out. When's the live event going to be? It's either going to be 2 weeks after the phone gets in his hand or 4 weeks after the phone gets in his hand. So we'll schedule it later. We'll definitely let you guys know what special edition of Hardwired Live it's going to be. But until then, for the love of tech, have fun and namaste.